I'm Sneha. Welcome to Colors in Life. Few days back, I visited a place Taljai, which is at the heart of Pune city and has been designated as wildlife reserve. It has a beautiful temple at the entrance of Taljai Mata, a Hindu goddess. After visiting the temple, we went ahead to explore Taljai forest area. Exploring the nature is always satisfying. While walking around, I found few things and I thought that it will be really great idea to create something out of it. So in today's video, I will share glimpse of my Taljai visit and then we will make some creative art from natural material. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy watching this video. And also, do not forget to like, share and comment. So, let's start with the video.
I hope you enjoyed the glimpse of my Taljai visit. Now let's start with making nature art. First, we will make a nature painting on this wooden block. For that, I made the surface smooth by sandpaper and then started painting it with acrylic colors. I'm simply blending shades of blue, purple, white and little bit of green. Each one of us will see the nature through different eyes. And that's the way you should paint. Just the way you see it. If painting teaches you nothing else, it teaches you to look at the nature with different eyes. It will teach you to see things that have been there all your life and you have never noticed. A beautiful quote by Bob Ross. And the beautiful nature painting on the raw wooden block is ready. Create a frame from these wooden sticks. For that, you will just need jute rope, some wooden paper clips and few small photos. I printed 9 black and white photos on A4 size paper and arranged the wooden stick in the square pattern. Tied the sticks properly with the jute rope. For hanging the photos, I tied the rope like this. I made 3 lines of rope so that each line of rope can have 3 photos. And now cutting the photos. now simply attaching it with the wooden paper clip. I bought these clips from stationery shop for 60 rupees, which has around 20 clips. And just added fairy lights around the frame, and it's simply looking beautiful. I actually like the raw look of these wooden sticks, and hence I did not color the sticks or decorated it too much. Now I am going to make a greeting card from leaves. To make it, you will need a white paper, acrylic colors, leaves and sketch pens. I am dabbing some green acrylic color on leaf and properly pressed it over the paper and smoothly remove the leaf, and it will create a beautiful leaf pattern on the paper. Try to use all different shades of green and randomly place the leaf on the paper. You can go creative and make the pattern of your choice. This is a special thank you to all of my subscribers and viewers. Please keep watching my videos and supporting me. You can give such handmade greetings to anyone, and I'm sure they will love it. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider subscribing and do not forget to like, share and comment. Thank you so much.